Hey friends, I'm Aaron with Bowtie Treasures, and today I have a project that I need to get done quickly, and that is I have a door in my workshop that needs to be painted. I've been in my house for just over a year now, and it's about time I get to it. I have a great product that's going to help me accomplish this quickly. Saker sent me their painter's accessory tool, and I can't wait to use it on this door. It's going to make flipping it and painting it quickly easy. Let's take a look at the product itself before we get it on our door. I have 3 boxes that Saker sent me, and let's get them open, take a look at it. Inside you're going to see a packet with some screws. Those will come in you're going to need those for this project, so we'll put those to the side. It has a little bit of an instruction booklet that you can use to go through the different features that the product offers. We'll be focusing on the one where we can flip the door over, since I'm not doing multiple doors, but you can see how it has multiple stacking features. I'm really excited about being able to use that. So we'll put that to the side. In each box, you're going to see you're going to get 4 of the plastic stackers, and they're really well made, super durable. There's 2 sides to keep in mind. One, the side that has the star on the inside, that's the side that you're going to put the screw in. On the other side, this is going to be up against the door. That's going to allow you to rotate it. And then you'll also notice that there's these points on there. The points allow you to be able to stack these without them really going in the wrong way. So you can see how they're really easy to use. So let's continue, and I'll get those on the door. All right, so the next step is to get these tools on the side of my project. And remember, the star side is going to face me. That's the side the screw is going to go in. And let's get those drilled in there. Okay, so we're going to put the woodwork frame in a position so that the outer edges exceed the end of the door, and I'll just make sure it's centered. I put some boards underneath just to keep it elevated high enough so I have a clear working area, and we'll just get that in there right now. Just get that nice and snug in there, and you can see how that's going to help us rotate a little bit later on. One more on this end. And I'll loosen it just enough so it can move. All right, so I'm gonna lift up the door, actually using the frame tool to help me do that. So it's gonna pivot on that one end. I'm gonna use the holes, lift it up, and flip the door around. And then again, we'll pivot on the tool frame and do the other end. Grab my screws. Remember to make sure I'm calling it the star side, is facing out. Get to the middle of the door. There we go. Now at this time I can remove the boards I put in there just to keep it up. My next step I need to do is clean off the board and then start painting. All right, the door is all ready for me to roll it. I have a beautiful warm gray color that I've used on other doors, exterior doors in my home. So I'm gonna do one coat, we're gonna flip it and do the other coat. Isn't it great how it's off the floor? There's nothing I have to lay on, there's nothing to scratch the other side. So this is really a great project, and it's helping me make this work really well. Well, I got my door all done. It was so nice to use the Sacred product. It allowed me to get this door painted in just one day. Because I didn't have to wait for the other side to dry, I was able just to flip the door over, put one coat on both sides, let it dry a little bit, paint another coat on both sides, flip it over. It was so nice. I did my front door not long ago, and it took me at least 2 days because I had to let each side dry first, and I also needed someone to help me flip it. I had to do this whole big setup. This took just a few seconds to drill each tool onto the sides. So easy. So I'm very glad that I had this tool. I'm glad you got to see the demonstration of me using it, and the finished project is even better for me. I'm glad I got to share it with you. I'm Aaron with Bowtie Treasures. Until next time, friends, we'll see you later. Take care.
That's the end of the show. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell before you go. Bye.